Thinking about putting your home on the market? Congratulations, you have picked a great time to do it. Hi, I'm Greer Uptegraft with Pearson Smith Realty, here with 3 tips to consider before you put your home on the market. First of all, do the work. Even though it is a seller's market right now, buyers still want to see a home that looks nice and looks move-in ready. So unless you are selling your home in as-is condition, if you want to get top dollar, replace any old carpets, refinish the floors if necessary, paint the walls, certainly have the home professionally cleaned so that when buyers walk in, they are hit with a sense of awe and a sense that they want that home. That is absolutely going to get you a higher price point. Along the same lines, hire a professional to do the work for you. Many sellers I work with want to save money, understandably, by doing the work themselves. And they underestimate the amount of time it takes, the amount of energy it takes to, say, paint your home yourself or even do all the cleaning. And often the professionals just do a better job. So be sure to call someone to assist you with that work. The job that they will do will make your home really look stunning and will get you top dollar at the end of the day, which is what your goal is. Second tip for sellers: price your home at market value or a little under. These days, when buyers see a home price, they assume that the seller wants to get that price at minimum and likely much more than that. So in this market, it's important to price your home a little bit below market value. Your real estate agent can help you determine what market value is by doing a comparative market analysis and looking at other home sales in the area. Third, stage the home. I always recommend clients who have single family homes or homes that are a little bit larger to pay a professional stager to do this for you. Sometimes that can cost a few $1,000s, but it is worth it. What you do is you create an emotion in buyers when they come into your home. They see the beautiful furniture and the nice layout and can see themselves living in that house. If you have a condo or a townhome, talk to your real estate agent about some staging that perhaps they could assist you with, some light staging. Anything to give buyers a sense of how the home should be laid out and give them an idea of what it would look like if they lived there. Those are my 3 tips for sellers before you list your home. It's a great time to sell. If you have any questions, give me a call. It'd be my pleasure to assist with your real estate needs. Greer is here. Have a great day and take care.